Tip of the day, how to prevent grout from getting into fancy crevice and fancy liners. Blue tape. So I did it. I taped up the liner so when I'm done grouting, I can pull that tape off and I won't have to clean in there. So just get you some blue tape and tape it up and you'll save you a lot of hassle when you're done washing and you're cleaning up, and then you don't have to get a little knife and try to clean out all the crevices because you'll have your tape. Hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on these awesome videos. I put my heart and soul into them. And I just want to thank you all for watching them. Have a blessed day. Now you can see, I still got a little detailing. So I'll hit that with a rag, but if I didn't tape it up, it would have been a nightmare.
Yeah.
A nightmare.
Yeah.
As you can see, perfect. Get a little hit with the rag. And if you do not tape those up, getting those little crevices, oh my goodness. I just had a little bit in there and it took me over another half hour to clean just a little bit. So do yourself a favor, tape it up.